Toolbox Tuesday edition time, y'all. Wendell Lee Well Services coming back at you. We taking a chance here. Took a chance on this. Not exactly sure how it's going to work or if it's going to be worth the money, but I did it, and we're going to put it to the test and let y'all know how it goes. So what we're reviewing today is pole saw selection. Y'all probably sitting there thinking, well, why does a well driller need a pole saw? He doesn't do tree work. Well, you'd be surprised how many times we're ending up in the tree. So I'm going to go over what we had before and what we got now, which is the Dewalt 20-volt pole saw. All right, so here we go. So what prompted this video? Well, we've gone through a couple different versions of these. I can't remember the first brand. I think it was a Corona, and it's got the little twist lock extensions, and it's got this little blade right here that can cut small limbs. It doesn't really work worth a crap, but it's there, and you know, got a rope on it that gets in the way, and it didn't last too long, so I bought this one. This is a Fiskars, however you say it. It's better. It's, you know, got these buttons here for everything to collapse to. It goes out. I know y'all can't see that, but it goes way on out through there. But I don't know. The blade gets wore out, gets bent. You can kind of see that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the blade's kind of wandering in and out already. It binds up in trees, and it's long. I mean, it's about 8 feet tall. Collapsed. So it's awkward on where to put it, and it's manual. And we have enough manual labor to do in our job as it is. So we took a chance here and bought this guy out. So this is bring this over here and show you what it is. Dewalt 20-volt pole saw. Now, there are a couple different versions of what you can buy out there. We bought this version on Amazon for $200. That includes the pole saw, 4 amp hour battery, and the charger. What do I like about this saw? And we've used it a little bit. It's got an 8-inch bar on it. Got your little oiler up here up top to put your bar all in. It's got your little Allen wrench here with a flat head on it, so you can keep that clip to your case to tighten and loosen the chain if you need to. But what you're looking at is why I took a chance on it. Look how much more compact it is to store versus this thing. So we were able to put this in one of our boxes on our truck and keep it out of the way. This collapse is so you can take these on and off as you need it. It's got little, I'm gonna bring this over here for y'all to see it, if I can ever get the dang thing on there. So, got these little arrows right here that you line up for each attachment, and then you just take this, slide it on there. Then when you're done with it, take it on there, slide it off. So that was appealing about it. Another thing that was appealing about it was, you know, it might not make sense for some people, but we already have Dewalt tools on our trucks. I've done some reviews of those. So we already had batteries that fit other tools. You know, these, a 1 amp hour or a 6 amp hour or even the Flex Volt batteries will fit these, and they work. And that was appealing to us as well as the price. I think this saw here was, I can't even remember now, but I think it was close to $100 for everything. And you don't have to strain with this. You'd be surprised how many times we get to job sites and they're, oh yeah, site's cleared for you to come in. We cut tree limbs going down the road to get to the job site. We cut tree limbs at the actual job site itself before we raise the derrick up. You know how it is. Every job's different. It's something all the time. But before I get off of here, I will just put this in together and kind of run this for you here real fast. It hadn't been used much. We've used it on one job already. Hadn't had it long. Pretty sweet, ain't it? Haven't done this yet, but I've also heard of people that have, what they'll do is they'll go to Oregon, I believe it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, y'all, leave comments, but they'll get an aftermarket bar and chain and convert this to a 10-inch bar instead of an 8-inch bar. I've heard of that working well for people. I haven't done that yet. I kind of wanted to see how this worked first. I know you can always have a need to go bigger. Bigger is always better, right? So I'm just kind of wanted to try this out first, see how it works, see how I like it, and just take a chance on it. You know, any way I can look to save my back or to have something that's electrical, you know, there's no drop cord associated with this, so you don't have to worry about having a generator close by or a electric source. You know, we've got multiple batteries on our truck, so it worked out for us. So we'll try it out and let you know how it works out. But overall, I like it. I like the price. You can get the bare tool too. I think the bare tool is around $150 or so. So for another $50, you can get a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So I kind of opted for that version because I can use the batteries on my other tools as well. So, yep, just kind of like the concept of it. I've been looking at these forever and just decided to make the plunge. So stay tuned for more videos in the future as I put this thing to work and get it nasty, and we'll see how well it holds up for you. Thanks for watching. All right, so we're going to try this thing out. One of the things I forgot to bring up when I was reviewing it in the office, it does say that it is a 15-foot reach. Well, I got news for you. I didn't think it was, and I was right. When you get the box of the packaging, there are 2 stars beside the 15-foot reach, and the caveat of that is it is a 15-foot reach with a 6-foot tall person reaching up. And I've proven that to be accurate. I'm just over 6 feet tall, and in reality, this is about a 9-foot machine. So you get 15 feet, but you got to be reached all the way up here like this. So keep that in mind if you're purchasing this. Forgot to bring that up to you. All right, so what I'm going to do here to try this thing out for y'all, go cut some of these small limbs off of this branch right here, show you how well it cuts the small ones, and then I'm going to go all the way back here to the base of this branch coming up and cut some of these bigger ones. So let's see what this thing will do and how long it takes. Oh, let's see, where do I want to start at? Not bad. Who knows how it's going to like this bigger one over here. You want me to clear that out of the way for you so they can see it better? All right, let's see what this big one will do. It might be all it wants, but hey, you don't ever know till you try. Oh yeah. Well, let's see what we can do with this here. Not bad. And let me cut this off for y'all so I can show y'all how big that was. All right, so thing works pretty sweet, doesn't it? So I cut these little smaller limbs than this guy right here. I don't know. What is that thing? About 3 or 4 inches, Brino? Not bad. I like it. Hopefully y'all found that useful. Leave some comments. Time to get it on the machine and start using it, and using it at the house, and whoever else needs it too. That's how it goes. So, hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more Toolbox Tuesday videos coming back at you. Thank you.